Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Amanda's Kitchen. Today I'm in sunny South Florida and I'm making a breakfast casserole for my family. I'm going to show you how to make 3 different casseroles for your family while on vacation. They're easy and delicious. The first breakfast casserole recipe comes from my mother-in-law, Chris Pryor. Here are the ingredients. We will need milk, cheese, flour, eggs, bacon, and sausage. The first thing I'm going to do is preheat the oven to 350 and then we'll brown the sausage. I love spending time with my family, so getting together for vacation is just the highlight of my year. Now that we've browned the sausage, we're going to turn off the heat and go ahead and mix everything together, get it in the oven to bake. We've got our 2 cups of milk in a bowl. Now we're going to add our 8 eggs. Now I'm going to add salt and pepper to our milk and eggs. Let's go ahead and give it a whisk. We're going to add our 1 cup of flour. We want to be sure to get all the lumps out. Okay, it's looking good. We'll go ahead and add in our cheese. Stir that around in there. Let's go ahead and add our cooked sausage, our bacon. We'll add in our eggs, flour, cheese mixture. We're going to go ahead and get this in the oven and bake it for 40 to 45 minutes until golden brown on top. Alright, the timer's gone off and everybody's hungry, so let's see how it looks. Oh yeah. Let's dig in. Oh yeah. Look at the sausage and the cheese. That looks really good. It's so flavorful. This one you have to try. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, hit that like button and subscribe. If you hit that bell, you'll get a notification each week when I upload a video. The next recipe we're going to use is going to be a variation of this one, but with a twist: tater tots. To make this recipe, we're going to take our frozen tater tots and cheese and mix that together. We'll then add our cooked sausage and cooked bacon and mix that together with the tater tots and cheese. In a separate bowl, we'll go ahead and put our eggs and milk and salt and pepper and cheese and pour that over the top of the other ingredients. We're going to bake this at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes until the cheese is golden brown. It's our last day of vacation, and for our final recipe, we're going to make breakfast casserole with grits. For this video, I have a special guest. This is Hannah Kate, and she's going to help me make this delicious grits breakfast casserole.
For this recipe, you'll need eggs, milk, cheese, butter, bacon, grits, and sausage.
To begin, let's start by making the grits. Be sure to use plenty of salt and butter. In a saucepan, cook the bacon, drain, then add the sausage, drain that as well. Mix the sausage, bacon, and grits and layer that in a 9x13 dish. In the blender, we're going to add our eggs and milk. Blend until smooth. Add half the cheese. We're gonna pour that on top of our grits, bacon, and sausage mixture. Then add the remaining cheese to the top of the dish. Bake in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. My favorite out of all 3 casseroles is the one with the grits.
Good stuff.